Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you a story of a kid who is now one of us 140. He was born in hinterlands of Bihar, where his family had shifted to find some work. He studied in a Hindi medium makeshift school, as that was the best the town could offer. With a bit of luck, focus and grace of his teachers, he could get into a good engineering school. His family did not have enough money to support his education, but he made through it by borrowing and scholarships. His first job entailed working on ships and remote locations across India, working in teams of hundreds coming from many different companies. He understood that he needed to work in sync with everybody as part of a well-oiled machine. One day, one of his mentors suggested him to try his luck in consulting. He tried and made it somehow. The next few years were a roller coaster ride. He not only helped his clients find solution to seemingly unsolvable problems, but also persuaded them to implement those solutions. But his dream of doing an MBA was still alive. He tried and got into the college of his dream, IIM Ahmedabad. Though the batch was impacted by pandemic, he was hopeful things will turn out right very soon. He was shy and introvert in his undergrad days, but this time he wanted to do all he could as quickly as possible because he knew time was ticking. Also, he wanted to contribute to the batch in any way he could. With the help of his amazing batchmates, he started getting involved in various clubs and inviting speakers to learn from them, among other activities. And then he realized that things did not seem to improve. Many dreams, including his, were not getting fulfilled, and he could not take it anymore. He called for help, and he got lucky again by getting immense support from his batchmates. Thanks for listening to the story. As you may have guessed already, the person in the story is I, Ashay Gupta. I am a candidate for the role of batch representative, and I want to put my best effort into making this year what it was supposed to be for us. As we all know, this year is one of its kind in the 15 years long history of PGPX. Most important thing needed to do right now is for us to come together and help each other. I humbly request to provide your valuable feedback on how we all can reach our true potential and fulfill our dreams. I will also be reaching out to you personally. It will take some time, but we'll get there. I am sending this message to you so that you can pick the phone and call me, drop me a message, email me, do as you wish, but let me know your thoughts, how we can come together as a batch and fulfill our dreams. Thanks for your time, and see you again soon. Thank you.